In today's recipe, there is something sweet for you. This is Ritika and welcome to my channel Tongue to Tummy. Take 2 fistful gobindobhog rice. This is an aromatic short grain rice very popular in West Bengal. You can use basmati rice if you do not have gobindobhog rice with you. Add good amount of water to the rice and soak it for 30 minutes. Rinse it once. Make sure you do not overwash the rice as we do not want to lose too much starch. Strain the rice using a strainer and spread it to dry and keep it aside. For this recipe, you need 200 gram condensed milk. The use of condensed milk adds enough sweetness and richness to the dessert. Into a pan, heat 1 liter of full-fat milk over medium-high heat. Stir very frequently to avoid any scorching at the bottom or at the sides of the pan. The milk has already started to boil. Reduce the heat to low and keep boiling the milk for about 10 minutes, stirring frequently. The milk should be boiled till it gets reduced to 3/4 of the amount. This makes the kheer more creamy. Next add the rice to the milk. Cook until the rice is fully cooked. As you can see, the rice is perfectly cooked. Stir it well to avoid any burn. To ensure that the grain is fully cooked, you can pick a rice grain and mash it between your fingers. So this can be completely mashed. That means this is well cooked. At this stage, add 200 gram condensed milk. Stir it well. Always add the sweetener when the rice is completely cooked, because after adding the sweetener, the rice will stop to cook further. You can add sugar if you want, but according to my taste, the sweetness is enough not to add any sugar to it. Add 2 tablespoons chopped almonds, pistachios and cashews. Mix it well. In this stage, scrape well the bottom and the sides of the pan. Keep it on low heat. Lastly, keep the flame on for about 1 to 2 minutes with continuous stirring and then turn off the heat. This is very creamy and it's perfect dessert for any celebration. The consistency is medium, not too thin or thick. You can serve the payesh or kheer chilled or at room temperature. If you like the recipe, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon so that you get a notification each time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another exciting recipe. Till then, bye.